Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, we are going to be learning how to log into Minion Rush with your Facebook account. Logging into Minion Rush with Facebook is super easy. First of all, go ahead and open your Minion Rush application on your mobile device. Once you're inside the main home page, go to the settings icon or the gear button at the top right corner. Now, tap on connectivity at the top of the screen and select the login button right next to the Facebook logo under networks. Click on the continue button to go to facebook.com and sign into your Facebook account. You can open up the Facebook app if prompted by tapping on open and then log into your account by entering your Facebook account's credentials. After choosing your Facebook profile or typing in your Facebook account's email and password, click on Continue button. After you do that, you will then be able to log into your Minion Rush account with Facebook. Remember that you must have your Facebook account in order to log in with Facebook. If you don't have one, create a Facebook account and use your email and password to get connected with your Minion Rush account. You will now be redirected back to Minion Rush and your account should now be linked to your Facebook account. By linking your game to Facebook, you can save your progress, play across multiple devices, and connect with friends who also play Minion Rush. So that's how you easily connect Minion Rush with Facebook. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.